welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Naturally Nia here again with another bomb video. Today I'm going to take you through this tutorial, so stay tuned to see how I got this high puff look. This is an old style that I've already been wearing that I'm going to convert into this new puff style. My hair is kind of already stretched out, so it works perfectly. The contents of my spray bottle is really simple. It's just a random leave-in conditioner that I had hanging around and some water. If I knew what kind of conditioner was in here, like as you can see I'm almost out, I would tag it in the description box, but I really don't remember. But I use this as a moisturizer slash refresher every couple of days, or like whenever my hair feels dry, to keep moisture. Next, I'm coming through with the Eco Styler gel and the Goody hair ties. This is what I'm going to use to slick my hair down and put it into the puff. Molding your hair down with a brush or your hand is the key to getting a really sleek puff, and also making sure that you have enough product, whether it's gel, cream, whatever you're using. Make sure you have enough product and make sure that you are brushing and sleeking your hair down nice and tight. I only wrap the hair tie around once for a couple reasons. One, I do not want a headache. Like if it's too tight, my head is going to start throbbing. And two, I want more body in my ponytail, and the tighter you wrap it around, the more like tight and constricted your puff will be. So once is just enough. Here I'm just going through laying my edges down with the brush and my finger. My hair curls up like really soon after I put the gel in, but that's fine. I'm a natural that doesn't go all crazy with having super sleek edges. I like a little frizz. I embrace it. I feel like it gives your hair character and more body, and I mean, I just like to let it do its own natural thing. So this is as sleek as I usually go. If I wanted to, I would put a scarf on just to really set it and set the gel in, but this is fine. When it comes to natural hair, if you want more volume, pick and fluff and fluff. Like pick to the gods and fluff like there is no tomorrow. I'm coming through with a very light fluff. I don't want to lose too much definition, and I feel personally when I overpick my hair, I lose a lot of my definition, and right now my curls are popping. If you look at the ends of my hair, they are very coiled together and just curled, looking so nice. So I don't want to lose that definition, so I'm only coming through separated and fluffing lightly. Okay y'all, so here's the finished product. We have a nice sleek, well, I'm gonna say semi-sleek high puff. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, like this, subscribe, share it on your Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that. And make sure you guys tune in, click that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos, and I'll be back with another tutorial soon.